Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I'm taking a quick look at Trias here today. Obviously a crypto that has been in the spotlight quite a little bit recently in this bear market, having a very nice pump off of that low swing that we did see back here, getting down to around 80 cents there, which is absolutely incredible, isn't it? I wish I bought more Trias down at this level, to be honest, because we are up at around $3.35 right now, which is obviously a very, very nice move. You can see we were making our way up very nicely through our Fibonacci levels here. Pretty much some textbook stuff, to be honest, where we did see ourselves almost coming up to the 0.50 here, came back down to test as support, but we have started to, you know, see a little bit of a drop off in this momentum ever since we hit that swing low down here. You can see these higher highs and higher lows, but we are kind of starting to do something like this where we're losing momentum to the upside. And right now, currently just still kind of getting stuck really under this previous bull market support, flipped into resistance in this area here, which I have highlighted with this big gold box, as you can see. Came up into this level, looking like we are kind of getting stuck under it, to be honest, as you can see. Obviously a little bit of FUD recently for Trias, with it getting, you know, a few flags on some major exchanges for it, like KuCoin, for example, flagging it for potential review, which has obviously led to a little bit of FUD, but it's recovered very well from that, to be fair, after it dropped from around that $3.50 level to around $2.50 down here. Tested that support and it has actually bounced fairly nicely. So right now looking like it really is just consolidating and going sideways like the vast majority of the market, to be honest, and it will probably continue to do this until we see Bitcoin heading up in a big way for a true kind of bull market momentum swing to the upside. But overall looking really, really nice, to be fair. A crypto that I do think is going to do very well. Obviously you can see it's broken out of its bear market resistance ages ago back here, and ever since then really we have just been kind of consolidating, and overall looking like maybe we're doing a little bit of something like this, aren't we? And you know, if we do start to coil up and see momentum in the market that is bullish and favorable, we could see Trias heading up towards some of those very, very, very tasty potential Fibonacci extension targets, as you can see up here. Depending on whether or not we hit these targets is obviously a big cause for debate, but I do think that this crypto is potentially going to do extremely well in the future. And I have got a bag of it for myself for the long term, just going to hold it and see what happens. Not financial advice, of course, but I do think that this is probably a crypto that could potentially do extremely well, as it did in the last bull market. And we will see what happens next. So, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for getting involved. As always, like and subscribe. Get involved in the content, and I will see you in the next video.